Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we are going deep into the roots. Today we are doing beef cheek barbacoa. Alright, and the first thing you need to do when you buy beef cheek is clean it up. As you can see, it comes full of a lot of silver skin and stuff like that we don't really need. We're gonna clean this up really well. And we're gonna make sure that none of that silver skin stay there, all right? So let's go ahead and clean up this baby. Now with all that silver skin removed, we're gonna create a rub that we're gonna cover these babies up. So let me put this on the side. And this is what I'm gonna have for my rub. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, about 1 tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of paprika, pepper. This is as much as you want. I will say about 1 tablespoon or so. 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cumin. Now let's mix this up. Let's add this rub that we just created, which is really heavy in cumin. Start adding this thing. Again, you don't rub, you just pat down. Alright guys, so here we have our beef cheeks ready to go, and they are looking beautiful, they are clean, and we don't have to work a lot with it. The work comes now on the grill. And here we have our veggies, as you can see. They are looking beautiful and amazing. Look at those colors, man. That's amazingly looking beautiful veggies. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into the grill. We're gonna start cooking everything up. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sear those beef cheeks outside so I get those beautiful, nice colors, and I burn a little bit those spices. And then after that, we're just gonna put them in the pan with everything on, a little bit of beef stock, and let it cook. It's gonna take a few hours, but it's gonna be amazing, guys. So let's get into that. Alright guys, the beef cheeks are in the grill, everything is doing good. We put our beef stock in there, we covered the pan to about half of the pan with the beef stock, and everything is looking good. They're gonna be there for a while, I would say about 3 to 4 hours. We're gonna let them cook until those beef cheeks are falling apart. That's the whole idea, they have to be falling apart. They have so much flavor and so much fibers in there that this is gonna be amazing, guys. So all we have to do is wait now. For you, it's gonna be real quick. For me, it's gonna take me about 3 to 4 hours. Listen to that, man. That's a beautiful sound. Let's go. Well, guys, it's been 4 hours already. That baby is almost ready. I just poked it a little bit and it's there. I think we have 20 more minutes. So with that time, I decided to make an amazing, real good guacamole for you guys, and We're gonna be using our molcajete here today because this guacamole has to be. So let me show you how to do it because it's really simple, but it has some amazing flavors and a consistency that everybody loves. So let's get into that. Okay guys, let's get into the guacamole. The guacamole, the best way to do it is with a molcajete. But this is something that when you buy it, you have to cure it and you have to season it. I have a video up here that you can check out exactly how to do it, so let's get into that. So I have 2 garlic cloves here that I'm gonna mince as much as I can. A teaspoon of salt, so it's gonna help us out. We're gonna add 2 of these 3 chilies. Make sure you don't touch your eyes or your face. All right, so let's keep pounding this thing. You get on a spoon, you just go behind it, and the whole thing is gonna come up. So and just spoon it out. Let's combine everything together with the onions that we already had there. We put it in there with the guacamole. Well, Miss Ninja, look at all I have here for you. This is...
For me only? No, for you guys too.
This is, what is the biggest thing as a dinner?
Biggest thing as a dinner.
Yeah, it's a dinner, but it's bigger. Supper.
Dinner.
Supper?
Super dinner.
Miss Ninja, I have, as you can see, everything here is really Mexican, really Latin, really into that.
It looks beautiful.
And I'll tell you this, I did it with a lot of love.
I can see it.
And I think it came out amazing. So it's time for you to give it a try. Do you know what it is?
No clue, because I've been fixing the garage all day long.
She doesn't know what it is. That is even better. I will tell you this.
Tell
the
me.
way you eat it is a little different.
Oh, yeah?
All right? So you grab your tortilla.
Okay.
All right?
My tortilla.
You put your tortilla on top of your meat.
Gotcha.
And you grab it. All right?
And I grab it, okay.
Yes. And it's falling apart. And then on top of that, if you want guacamole,
Look
you can
at
put
that
some guacamole.
What is this?
Oh, if you want some sauce.
Is it spicy?
A little bit, yeah.
My mouth is watering.
Even the guacamole is spicy.
Is it? Yum, 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 yum.
All right, so we have the sauce, we have the guacamole, and we have the mystery meat. And then let's see if Miss Ninja like it. Let's go, Miss Ninja.
Let's go, let's go. Huh?
Wow.
Super tender. It's like,
Wow.
it slides, slides on your tongue.
Wow.
I love it.
This is impressive. Sorry, guys, but it's a little messy.
It is, but who cares? It's so good.
So good.
What is it?
All right, I'll tell you now. This is typical barbacoa.
Okay.
That's, you know, the difference is in Mexico, they cover the barbacoa with agave leaves. I don't have agave leaves here. And to tell you the truth, in Cuba, the way we do it is like this. We don't have agave. We have agave. We call it maguey. But it's not the same thing. I'm not sure. The maguey in Cuba is not as big as the one in Mexico.
Can you use a banana leaf?
I think you can use a banana leaf.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Well, if you guys
Not
know,
sure.
put it down there in the comments, because we use a banana leaf for the tamales.
Tamales, yes.
So probably it'll make the trick.
I don't know, but I want to try it by itself.
Me too.
Let's see, man, because this is so, it's falling apart. Oh my goodness. So tender.
I'm gonna try a little piece by itself.
Let's try it by itself.
Let's try.
My God.
I love it.
Wow, guys.
You know how it feels when I make meat on the pressure cooker? That it just like falls apart and all the fat renders, and it's amazing.
And
it's
believe it or not, this is the hottest part. I guess it's the hottest part of the cow.
Is it?
Yeah. It is cow chick.
Like when we're dancing cheek to cheek?
The chicks, yes, the chicks.
The
and you know the
chicks.
cows, they eat all day, and then at night they just lay in there and they chew everything again. So they are always working those muscles, and it's a tough muscle, but it came out delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Wow, that thing is amazing,
It
man.
is.
I love
really,
it.
Really, really good. I love
Wow.
it. I can't wait to eat some more.
Let me tell you. This is a present from Johnny. Johnny sent this to me for me to try it because I told him I never tried it. And he was like, I'm going to send it to you. He got it from Meet the Butchers. So if you want something like that, you can go to Meet the Butchers and order from there. They have really good stuff, and this is one of them. I love it. Now, you have to remember that it will take, this one took 5 hours, okay? It will take a long time. You can smoke it if you want to smoke it, or you can do a barbacoa style, as we did this one. You can do whatever you want, but you can put it in the pressure cooker. You can do whatever you want, but it's gonna take a long time. I just want you to understand that this is a tough muscle. This will take a long time, but once you do it, once you cook it, you have these amazing fibers.
It's amazing.
That they just fall apart. When you bite into it, it just fall apart.
Oh, so you're eating again?
No, I'm just trying this thing because I had to explain it.
I have not been able to finish my taco.
Well, guys, if you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you're terrible. She's terrible, man.
He gets stuck.
I said it so many times. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe, man. Subscribe, because we have a lot of barbacoa and a lot of crazy good stuff going on in this channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
And if you have any comment, any suggestion, any idea, if you like barbacoa, if you've done it before, if any of those things, let me know down in the comments.
Yes, please let us know. And you know what? We're not been having shout outs here, but we do have a special shout out.
We have a special shout out, guys.
It's for all the doctors, nurses, paramedics, everybody that is out there. Firefighters, everybody that is helping us out there.
Police.
The police department, yes. We love you, and we thank you for supporting everybody out there.
Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you, and let's do this together and stay home and be safe.
Stay safe, baby.
Have a smile.